Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 19. Today we're diving into a powerful technique to supercharge your MATLAB code, vectorization. If you want to write cleaner, more efficient, and dramatically faster MATLAB programs, you need to master array operations and ditch those slow loops. And here's the hook. You can make your code 10 times faster, and you won't need any explicit loops to do it. Vectorization is essentially performing operations on entire arrays or vectors at once, instead of processing individual elements one by one using traditional loops. To demonstrate the power of vectorization, we will define a common task, calculating the mean square error of a dataset. The mean square error, or MSE, is a fundamental metric used everywhere from statistics to machine learning. It involves squaring differences, summing them up, and then dividing by the number of elements. First, let's look at the standard but slow way of calculating MSE using a traditional for loop, which many beginners instinctively use. This approach involves initializing a sum variable and iterating through every element of our array, calculating the square, and accumulating the sum inside the loop body. To objectively measure the performance difference, we'll use MATLAB's timeit function. This runs the code multiple times and gives us a reliable average execution time. Now let's move on to the vectorized method, which leverages MATLAB's optimized internal functions for array operations. The vectorized version simplifies the MSE calculation dramatically to a single line, sum a dot caret 2 divided by length a. This performs all squaring and summing in one highly optimized step. Just like before, we will use timeit to measure the execution time of this vectorized approach. Prepare to be impressed by the results. When we compare the two timings, the difference is stark. The vectorized code consistently outperforms the loop-based code. For large arrays, the vectorized solution is typically at least 10 times faster, proving that thinking in arrays is crucial for high-performance MATLAB coding. Let's quickly recap what we learned about achieving faster code in MATLAB. The key takeaway is simple. Array operations win in MATLAB. Become a pro at array indexing and vectorized functions to unlock maximum performance. Join me in the next lesson, where we'll explore even more advanced techniques for array and matrix manipulation. Don't forget to subscribe.